So here, draw the DL of the network shown in figure. So this figure is given where there is one voltage source, one current source, and R1, R2, L, and C, and we are asked to find a DL network for this circuit. So here we have to follow the procedure. So procedure says, so first we have to keep dots in each mesh and one reference dot outside the circuit. So 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 meshes, 3 loops. So we have to take a dot at the center of the each mesh and one dot at away from the circuit. So outside the circuit. So in DL circuit, so in the empty space, we have to take corresponding 3 nodes 1, 2, 3 and one reference node like this. Now, so you connect this. First, we have to fill the mutual elements. So elements which are connected in between the meshes. So inductor L is concerned to mesh 1 as well as mesh 2. So join these two dots 1 and 2 through inductor. And in the DL circuit, the space provided for the DL circuit, connect the element, that is capacitor, in between first node and second node. So similarly, in between second node, second dot and third dot, there is a current source, and here we have to connect DL of current source, that is voltage source, in between second node and third node. And polarity, if you see the polarity, if you take I2 as a reference in second mesh, so current is opposite. If you take I3 as a current in the third mesh, so it is in the direction of the current. So here positive polarity is towards third node and negative polarity is towards second node. And after finishing these mutual elements, now we have to focus on these elements. So join dot 1 to reference dot with a dotted line crossing voltage source E. So now we have to take dual element of voltage source, that is current source. We have to connect that current source in between node 1 and reference. So that is current source. And here positive polarity is towards dot 1 and negative polarity is towards the reference node. So here arrow should be towards first node and the tail should be towards reference node. And after that we have to join dot 1 to reference dot through R1. And here in the DL circuit, space provided for the DL circuit, so R1 DL element is G1, so we have to connect that G1 in between first node and the reference node. So similarly, capacitor. So now we have to join dot 2 to reference dot with the dotted line through capacitor. Here in this the space provided for the DL circuit, so DL element of capacitor is inductor. We have to place this inductor in between second node to reference node. And last element, there is R2 which is left over. Join dot 3 to reference dot through dotted with the dotted lines through R2. And conduct R2 DL element is G2. Connect that G2 between third node to reference node. G2, connect that G2 which is a dual element of R2 between third node to reference node. So this is the dual circuit. So we can redraw this circuit like this. So current source, first node, second node, third node and a reference node, and I1, I is a current source here, G1 conductance, capacitor, inductor, voltage source and G2. So here this is the DL circuit. This is the DL circuit for the given original circuit. So for this circuit, so this is the DL, and for this circuit, this is the DL circuit. So here this is the procedure which we followed to get that DL circuit.